Hey there, my wonderful friends. I'm glad you stopped by. We're going to have an unboxing today for the Confetti Collection for September, October 2020. Before we begin, I'd like to thank you for stopping by, and I'd really appreciate a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the little bell below so you'll be notified of future videos. I really appreciate the support if you've been a subscriber for a long time. So anyways, here's this puppy right here. And this is every other month for about $34.99 a month, and you know what, it's not makeup, it is a lifestyle, and it's getting, it has a lot of novelty. It has some, for Christmas last year they had a whole bunch of wrapping paper, they had, Christmas cards and all that. So let me tell you, really like this box. So let's open this puppy up, and don't ask me how much it is, but how much it weighs, because I don't know, because I can't find the weight. So here's what the box looks like when you open it up. Isn't that just gorgeous? And let's see if I can get this out. Oh my goodness. This is it. This is the package right here, and it is not shy, let me tell you. And the box is mostly, this little funky stuff. So, let's see, we got for this month, this every other month box for Confetti Collection. I hope it's going to be fun. It usually is. So, okay. This is going to be look at this. Okay, it still has the paper going on. So let's open this guy up. Let's see if I can pop the plastic on this guy, and let's get started. First up, my goodness, they really do pack these on. This is an address book. Let's see if I can open this up and take a peek inside. The little guys, they love to sit there and taunt me with all this packaging. So, so this is a nice little address book, and look at that. Some of us still work with this, because you know what? Sometimes you might lose your phone, you might, crash it, or whatever the case may be. So it's always nice to have a little backup and to share your phone numbers, emails of all these people. Really nice. I like that one. And then, let me see if I can get more of this plastic off. Sometimes they just get me going. Okay. This is guided. Next up we have is Guided Genealogy Journal. Wow. Look at that. Let me see if you can see it. And is this guy a honker here? So let's open it up. It has a, to and from and belongs, and then it says all about the family, and it's like about the family tree, children, where they've been born. I think this is really awesome. And look at this. This ain't shy right here. And let's see what else they have in here. They have dates of birth you can put in here in the back. You can put in, pictures of the house. I think this is really cool. Mother's family name and anything you have in here. So if you like doing like those ancestry.coms or doing the family tree, this would be really helpful. Next up I have, it's a nice like a portfolio, but it's made of a really sturdy cardboard with a little clasp on here, so it's like a clipboard. And then you open it up, and it has the foldable sheets of paper in here. So I like these because I'm always writing stuff down. So then, wow, I've got some more stuff in here. Then I've got, let me see if I can get this out of this package. This is just too, this is more of the, the paper goods, which I really love. And, they're really thoughtful. They really put it really nice, together, theme, and it all just kind of matches through together, and I really love this. I have other videos down there too. One of them was Day at the Beach, so they had a bunch of stuff for the beach. Look at this. Here's the little binder with the little, and then you open it up, and it's just blank pages. So it could be a journal, it could be, you know, thoughts or, you know, reminders or anything like that. And I love that it has a little guy right here, which really is nice. And there's 240 pages in here, so that is a keeper. Then, wow, okay, look at these. Let me get them out of here. You know, for those people that still have, you know, filing cabinets and or a drawer in the desk that, you know, we keep paper in, and little, you know, coupons or bills or something for the, you know, for taxes or whatever. Look at this. This is 6 printed file folders, and there's 3 different ones in here for seasons. Let me see if I can get this paper off. Oh, wow. Now these are better than the manila folders I know about when I was in the office, but look at these. These are really gorgeous. Look at those. Those are cute as a bug. So I can definitely get use of that. So, and last but not least, we have envelope file folders. So, now, when you go to the accountant or you go do your bills and all that other stuff, this little guy is a paper envelope. It has a little paper on it. It has the little twisty guy here. And look at this. You open it up, and then you put your mail, your papers in here, and they're nice and safe. So if you drop them, they're not going to fall all over the place. And this is really beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. And then we've got 2 others. Here's this beautiful print right here. And then we've got one that's long ways. This is really nice. And these little stickers come off, so you can just be really professional. So I think this is a great box. This is, you know, some of these things you can do as gifts. They're very giftable. I think these are things that you usually don't buy for yourself. So I think this is something, you know, that you don't think of and you really need when you go, oh man, where can I find that? And it's right there for you. I love these journals, you know, and they're really good to keep, you know, your thoughts or what you need for a trip or where you are, and, you know, for budgeting and all that. Really big thumbs up. So if you like this video, really appreciate a big thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And you know what? Have a fabulous one, and leave some comments below. I love chit-chatting with you. Take care and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.